Now, where we look at what each interval is, the notes give us a sound, the interval gives us a tone, and it's the harmony between the notes that actually matters. So if I'm using a fifth, okay, so my interval being a fifth, all right, that interval can be shown in a variety of different ways on the guitar, but that is a fifth interval. All right, if you use a third interval, so I might go, that's a major third, minor third. These are the things that give us the sounds and the tones that you create music out of. So really, what you can break everything down to is a set of intervals. So say I come up with, there's my fifth, and then what's this? Oh, very dark. But that will be an interval, all right? And if you look at it, that's actually a flat ninth. So everything has an interval. So it's a dark sound. Whereas the ninth is a beautiful sound. So it's how these things stack. And